move on to some of the other more complex skills. Okay, so that was our 7 skills. Now we're going to put them into some of the application with questions here. Generating candid team conversations. We look to do this in part by using the TESI, and that's the assessment that Sarah will be telling us about in just a little bit that HRDQ has available. And the TESI is a situation in which you can generate a team internal 360. Team members answer questions themselves that then get them a result of how are we doing from our team perspective in each of the 7 areas we just discussed. Put that result in front of your team, and there is no doubt there will be some candid conversation. The results came from the team and are going to the team, so the buy-in is very, very high. There's very strong face validity because it's their data about themselves. So then we take it into, well, what are we saying to each other? People have answered questions confidentially in a way that now gives them the chance to really do some big picture looking or bigger picture looking as we look at those 7 different skill areas and really bring them to life and say, well, how is it that we're resolving conflict? What's an example of when we did it well? What's an example of when we did it poorly? And we'd really like to change in a different way and maybe use some of those good strategies when we did it well. If a team is not conscious of how they're doing this work, helping them become conscious and have those candid conversations makes quite a big difference. So let's talk about how do we handle emotions in our workplace. These are 3 questions. That's the first of the 3, as you'll see on this slide, that help us get a sense of how to really build a team into some candid conversation pathways. If you ask them, give